Got your brand new Cash App Cash Card? Let's get it activated and ready to spend in no time. First things first, grab your Cash App Cash Card. You'll need to open up your Cash App on your smartphone. Once you're in the app, look for the option to add a card. This might be a prominent button on the main screen or within your account settings. Tap on that option, and the app will prompt you to enter your card details. You'll need to input the 16-digit card number located on the front of your Cash App Cash Card. Next, you'll need to enter the expiration date, which is also found on the front of your card. Don't forget to add the CVV code €. That's the 3-digit security code on the back of your card. Now, Cash App will likely ask you to verify your identity. This is a crucial step for security. They might ask you to enter your full name as it appears on your account and possibly your social security number or other identifying information. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Once your identity is verified, it's time to set your PIN. This is the 4-digit code you'll use for purchases and ATM withdrawals. Choose a PIN that's easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. After confirming your PIN, your Cash App Cash Card should be successfully activated. You're now ready to link it to your Cash App balance for easy spending, shop online, or make purchases in store. You can also use your activated card at ATMs to withdraw cash directly from your Cash App balance. Congratulations! Your Cash App Cash Card is now ready for action.